take our state forward. 50 years back, with that vision, this school was established by the founders of this school. And it gives me immense pleasure and great honor to be here today, to be part of this celebration of 50 years. It is indeed beautiful because we will also be celebrating the 50 years of our state. So this school is, if not older, it is of the same age as our state. And it just shows the mindset of the people and the founders who had started this school with great challenges and difficulties during that time. It's not easy to start on a new venture, not having the resources, not having the infrastructure, not knowing how things will go. So we must, at this point in time, remember the founders of the school who laid the foundation, where today, not only the students who are studying out here, but even our local MLA. And let me inform you, a problem that the whole country is facing. Today there are SSA schools and teachers throughout the country who are not being paid. So it's not just in Meghalaya, it's throughout the country. And there are challenges at the national level, and that is why it's not happening. But from the state, wherever it is possible for us to intervene, we as a state government have worked towards intervening. Our students are here. I would like to take some time to speak to you also. And I want to tell you that you are very lucky to be able to study in an institute like this. You are the future of the state. You are the pillars on which the next generation and the future of the state will lie. So it is very, very important that you realize that these are your foundation years. These are the years when you will be defined as an individual,